Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing friction. Clear your home screen to 6 to 9 essential apps so you see only what matters. Next, enable Do Not Disturb and schedule it for your focused blocks. This cuts interruptions automatically. Then set app limits for social and gaming apps, for example 1 to 2 hours per day, so you get immediate boundaries. Once done, make sure notifications are prioritized only for critical contacts and calendar alerts to keep your workflow intact. Now you build the routine that enforces focus. Add widgets for one-tap access to your calendar, timer, and task list so actions take seconds. Configure automation or shortcuts for morning check-ins and end-of-day shutdowns to disable distractions and trigger backups. Consolidate notes and documents into a single app with folders and search so you never hunt for info. Make sure to sync with cloud storage. This preserves context across devices and prevents wasted time. To finish, set a weekly 15-minute review where you reset app limits, prune unused apps, and realign goals so your system stays lean. Maintain battery health by keeping charge above 20% during heavy use and free up at least 10% storage to avoid slowdowns. If things go wrong, reboot the phone first, then clear the app cache and check for operating system or app updates. These steps resolve most performance and sync problems quickly. Make sure to reapply limits after major changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.